Dear guys, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a new video of property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location is by attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 8.2, which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Room category 1. See on the screen details like room size, bed type, view, amenities, facilities, landmark, etc. Next, we talk about the amenities of this property. All guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is outstanding. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Details of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this property, along with various plans and payment policy. Viewing and visiting provided in the description. By commenting, we will help you. If you have already stayed in this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then